Geo meaning earth and therm meaning heat. So geothermal is energy that comes from the natural heat inside the earth. It comes from magma and the radioactive decay of uranium, thorium, and potassium. It is a renewable energy source because the heat is continuously producing within the earth.
To process and use this energy source, the first one is to directly use it from the reservoirs already close to the surface, or use geothermal power plants and pumping the steam or hot water to the surface, and that would power a steam turbine, and that creates geothermal energy.
Yo, what up? It's your boy Frankie J and DJ Alex.
The availability for geothermal is hydrothermal resources, which is steam or hot water. It's available primarily in the western states like Alaska and Hawaii. Earth energy can be trapped in almost anywhere in geothermal heat pumps and direct use applications. Other enormous and worldwide geothermal resources is hot rocks or magma.
I feel like I just seen the sun for the first time. You make my life.
Geothermal activities supply a full 25% of the country's tax base, producing more in tax revenue. When states and counties receive federal revenue from lease sales, each state can decide how to use the funds provided. Some geothermal heat pumps are installed in schools to save local communities. In a time with a high rate of unemployment, the geothermal sector provides stable jobs for many people. The geothermal power production is influenced by capital costs for land, drilling, physical plant, operating and maintenance costs, the amount of generated and sold from the plant, and the market value of that power. Geothermal power plants obtain high capital costs. They are at an economic disadvantage to conventional fossil fuel power plants.
No, but she ain't you.
The United States is the leading producer of geothermal energy. This source of energy will affect other countries' dependence on each other for energy because every country does not have the same land. Many of the geothermal reservoirs in the United States are located in the western states and Hawaii. California generates the most electricity from geothermal energy.
I got great expectations.
The environmental impacts of geothermal plant construction and energy produced of gas emissions, land use, noise, and potential ground substance.
My heart thump, not from being nervous sometimes.
It contains soft gases, mainly carbon dioxide and hydrogen sulfide. Geothermal power provides significant environmental advantage over fossil fuel power sources in terms of air emissions because geothermal energy production releases no nitrogen oxides, no sulfur dioxide, and carbon.
Geothermal power plants require little land. Geothermal installations don't require damming of rivers or harvesting of forests, and there are no mine shafts, tunnels, open pits, waste heaps, or oil spills.
Coming home, I'm coming home.
Noise occur during the exploration, drilling, and construction phase. In the early stages of geothermal development, geothermal fluids are withdrawn from the reservoir at the rate greater than the natural inflow in the reservoir.
All my ladies, put your hands up. Yeah. Taylor,
First, geothermal energy is clean energy. Energy can be extracted without burning fossil fuels such as coal, gas, or oil. Geothermal fuels produce only about 1/6 of the carbon dioxide that a clean natural gas-fueled power plant can produce. It's homegrown, reducing our dependence on foreign oil. It can be built almost anywhere where the Earth's crust is hot. Also, geothermal plants could generate more jobs for people.
It is very expensive to set up and build geothermal heating systems. It is also not available everywhere. It only works where the Earth's crust is hot, usually around the Pacific Rim or the Mid-Atlantic range.